Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to export all your Google Keep notes. Type keep.google.com in browser search bar. Press Ctrl A to select all notes. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Copy to Google Docs. Click Open Doc. Second method is copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click Deselect All. Check only Google Keep. Click Next Step. Click Create Export. Click Download. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.